Hello friends, welcome to Archit Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see when to buy Dixon Technologies or just we can sell or hold the share. Friends, everyone who booked profit in Dixon Technologies, they are waiting for the best value to enter. So, few players entered when it reached to here at 335. This is the range. After profit booking, the share came to 335, 3335. That means, so you're gonna see here a big spike with 49k with 2 hours time period. See here 360k and the next 49k. These are the fresh entries taken. So few big players are retail investors. But friends, after stock consolidated from 4400 to 3350, nearly it's a 5000 after split means. So it is splitted into 1 is to 5 ratio, and from 4400 to 3300 means nearly it's a 100 rupees. 100 into like 1000, like 5, it's 5000 rupees is the difference friends, from 50 to week high in normal before split. So 5000 is a big deal. So many players entered in that area. And friends, if you see here, after it taken support at 3421, and it doesn't come below. And when it is trading here, some news came like Airtel and moved up. After profit booking again at here, some news came that both BOAT, mic speaker manufacturing company, got some deal with Qualcomm, and again it moved up. Why? Because this is a contract manufactured for BOAT in India. And if you see throughout last year deals and what Dixon Technologies meant, and why we invest in Dixon Technologies even it falls. So friends, from first onwards I am going to show you. So from headlines itself, Adani Enterprise and Dixon Technologies and 11 other companies get industrial land in Noida. So getting a land in Noida means it's a very bigger thing. And with this, Dixon Technologies got land means that's a huge opportunity for its business expansion. And the next one is it partnered with Bharti Airtel to kept a JV for center PLI scheme for telecom gear. Friends, among these two, Dixon Technologies having huge stack in that JV. And friends, going forward, it's a new vertical for Dixon Technologies for getting revenue. So this is one advantage. And production linked incentives also very good for this company. And next one is Dixon Technologies, a rising star in domestic manufacturing. So friends, if you see here, ICICI given a buy call in this star, that means 4200. And friends, uh, this company Dixon Technologies, already you know it manufactures TVs, and it is going to ACs. See, desi flavors for Indian homes and Dixon Technologies factor. So going forward, few players saying that Dixon Technologies will be India's Flaxcon coming days. So washing machines, it's a having a largest television, washing machines and bulb assembly plants in India. So see here Noida, Dehradun and Tirupati. It's very well known place for Balaji temple Tirupati. So it is also a very good thing. And what gives Dixon Technologies on profit side means, we are going to see in this. Dixon Technologies incorporate two step-down subsidiaries, and this news at April 1st, 2021. And this is also a best news. And see here that as it's Noida-based company, Dixon Electro Manufacturing Private Limited, and Dixon Technologies Solution Private Limited. And this is also very good news that we can hear. And the next one is Dixon Technologies ins MOU with Bharat Enterprise, we already seen. And Dixon Technology gains in deal with Motorola, and this is one of the thing that Motorola mobiles manufacturing in India under Dixon Technologies for their uh, US sales. And Dixon Technologies Inc. deal with HMD India to manufacture Nokia phones. Friends, HMD India having patent to manufacture Nokia mobiles in India previously, and Dixon Technologies subsidiary Pagnet has entered in an agreement with HMD India to manufacture Nokia mobiles. So this also a very good news. And Pagnet got a PLA scheme approval from government. And next thing is this one, both join hands with Dixon Technologies for new twin wireless speakers. This is what I mentioned earlier in this video. So with these both manufacturing already Dixon, uh, Qualcomm investing a few pennies in VOAT. And next one says, see here, outsourcing to aid. These two are the main things for Dixon Technologies to come out of with profits in any quarter. Why? Because outsourcing is the main thing which will reduce its expenses. Whenever demand peaks, they will recruit members. Whenever there is a less demand, they will already taken as a outsourcing. So they didn't have any what you called restrictions to tell them to what you call your time is completed, so took another job like that. That means outsourcing 3 months 2 months with an agreement they will take employees. And next one friends, going forward, PLA scheme also getting a huge benefit for this company on any sector. Why? Because I will mention you later. See here, government approached Dixon Technologies for smartphone incentive plans for their Pagnet. This is one, this is subsidiary of Dixon Technologies, Pagnet Electronics. So next one is Dixon Technologies to make Nokia mobile phones and Toshiba TVs. So friends, see here, Toshiba TVs also manufactured by Dixon Technologies in India. What you call next one is mm, Dixon Technologies IT hardware aggressively. So this is also one of the thing that recently Dixon Technology is planning for laptop manufacturing. See here, already it is showing some laptops. I think it's small local manufacturers. But friends, it is thinking to get a huge number of PCs and laptops and server side companies. That means like Japan and US companies to India for their manufacturing. And next thing is Dixon Technologies approved rises for 200 crores. Last year it raised 200 crores friends, sorry, 200 crores, and this is also a very good thing. And next one is Dixon Technologies foray into manufacturing of set of boxes and medical electronics. Friends, where Dixon technology is not present, just imagine friends, it is having in medical side, it is having in telecom side, it is having in white goods, and you see it is entering into the servers and IT side also with one deal. I am expecting that deal. And recently Airtel and Dixon deal, which makes us a mind-blowing thing, friends. And this is the major thing that it also manufacturing Motorola phones also in India. So, friends, this is latest update which we got. If you like our videos, please uh, like our channel and share our videos, friends. Thank you.